So the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has said that the other states seeking to employ migrants from Uttar Pradesh will now have to take the state government's approval. The Chief Minister has also said that a migrant commission will be made in the state to provide jobs to them according to their skill. Skill mapping of the migrant workers is already being done in the state. So this is a big directive that's come in from the Yogi Adityanath government. Taking this across once again to Nilanshu Shukla. Nilanshu, what really is the state's thinking here? Why has Yogi Adityanath decided that if migrant workers from Uttar Pradesh are being given any employment or being made to stay in any state, they will have to inform Yogi Adityanath?
Akshita, over 18 lakh migrant workers have returned to their native places in UP from other states, and the government believes that most of them were not treated well during lockdown period. They were not given the required help in other states, and that is why they were forced to return. And now the government is coming up with a policy, and under that policy, if any other state wants to employ any migrant from UP, then the state will have to seek nod of the UP government to ensure that the migrant workers are given wages on time and all the other procedures are followed. The government has also set up a migrant commission to ensure that jobs are given to the migrant workers who are returning to state, because it is a huge challenge for the state government, and the state government has already promised that all the migrant workers returning to UP will be employed and they will be given best possible help from the state government. The government is already doing skill mapping of the migrant workers who are returning. Their data is also being made by the officials, and the government is also in touch with the private industries, factories, to ensure that they get employment in time to come.
Okay, thank you Nilanshu for joining us with all those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.